Digital car key. How to work. Unlock your car with a mobile app. Cars parked outside can recharge via solar energy. Use mobile apps to unlock your car remotely anytime you want. Unlock. If you lose your LCD car keys, do not worry. Anyone who finds it can reach you by the number stored in the key. When you go shopping at the mall, you may buy lots of things, ending up with bags in both hands. Then you can remotely open the trunk from indoors in advance. Battery dead, no sweat. And SD cards work for unlocking too. Unlock.